Welcome back. In this video, we'll continue our walkthrough of the Sales Lead Workbench application, a central platform designed to manage and track sales inquiries efficiently. Let's explore how sales representatives can use this system to handle inquiries assigned to them, update service requirements, and track inquiry progress through various stages. To begin, we open the Sales Lead Workbench application. Inquiries in this system are created in two primary ways. First, through central platforms like company websites or emails. These are not directed to individuals but received at a central point. Second, through manually created inquiries by salespersons themselves. Let's focus first on inquiries that arrive through central channels. These are distributed to individual salespersons based on availability, region, or relevance. Once assigned, the salesperson can view all their allocated inquiries within the application. When reviewing an inquiry, all core details, such as inquiry number, deadlines, customer type, and client information, are auto-filled. The salesperson can then choose whether to pursue it. If not pursuing, a reason must be provided. In our example, we'll proceed with quoting. So this screen displays the details of the inquiry that was created and assigned to me as a salesperson. I've logged in with my user credentials to view and work on this specific inquiry. Once I've reviewed the inquiry, I'll exit this window and move on to the next step, adding services. This typically involves engaging in a conversation with the prospect or client to better understand their exact requirements. Once their needs are clear, I can proceed to add the relevant services by clicking the Add button. For example, adding a service like drill pipe inspection for 50 pipes. The quantity is mandatory, while other details populate automatically from the selected service. Remarks can be added, then save, and multiple services can be entered as the client's needs become clearer. Once services are updated, the next step is to track the inquiry stage. This is managed using the Stage Tracking. We'll click the Add button of this section. This outlines various progress stages, such as requirement validation or cost estimation. Each stage reflects the probability of closure. For instance, selecting requirement validation might reflect a 10% probability. The salesperson selects the relevant stage, enters remarks if needed, and saves it. As the inquiry moves forward, for example to quotation or negotiation, the salesperson can revisit and update their stage, ensuring the entire sales journey is well documented. One particularly useful feature of this application is that it allows us to record requirement details for each service. Another helpful feature is the ability for salespersons to create their inquiries directly from this workbench, useful when working with existing clients or when new opportunities arise outside the central intake process. This part will be covered in more detail in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching. See you next time!